Alibaba has officially announced the launch of its first self-developed smart glasses, the Quark AI Glasses S1. The product is set to release on November 27th and is available on pre-order on major Chinese e-commerce platforms for $560 or 3,999 yuan. It's designed to be a wearable AI assistant. It supports functions such as real-time translation, object recognition, POV video recording, and video interaction. It runs on the Qwen large language model, which is owned by Alibaba, and aims to provide users with seamless access to AI-driven assistance. The glass features dual micro LED light engines with refractive waveguide lens. The display delivers 2300 nits of eye brightness and allow users to adjust distance and height. Alibaba supports prescription lenses ranging from 0 to 800 degree with refractive indices of 1.6, 1.67 and 1.74. It weighs 51 grams and is 75 mm ultra slim template arm designed for 1:1 front to back balance. It uses a dual chip system that includes Snapdragon AR1 for AR processing and BES 2800 for audio functions. It supports Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 6, includes 5 microphones, including a bone-conducting mic as well as dual 10 mm speakers. The device includes Sony's IMX681 sensor with 109-degree field of view. It captures 4032 into 3024 photo and records 3K at 30 frames per second. It supports AI stabilization, super night mode, and instant capture. It comes from 280 mAh swappable batteries located in the temple arms. The system allows for continuous use through battery swapping. Alibaba provides 3 charging options: a mini back dock with 750 mAh, a 2500 mAh charging case, and a USB Type-C fast charging clip that delivers 50% power in 10 minutes. Typical usage scenarios include 45 minutes of calling, 2.5 hours of music playback, 20 hours of 20 minutes of navigation, 15 short video recordings. The glass delivers up to 7 hours of active use and 25 hours of standby time. The IPX4 rated for splash resistance and supports Apple's MiFi standard for wider device compatibility.